Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the theme of your blog on blogspot.com, but you actually have to go to blogger.com for you to change the theme. Go to theme here and then choose the theme you want. I'm just going to choose this one. You can also customize it. You can change the image of this. I did that. You can also select advanced settings. You can change the main color theme here. So in advanced you can change like the things in details. There's body, header, post, comment, sidebar, search, sharing, attribution, widths, and this as CSS. So for instance, maybe you want to change the header, the color of it here. You can do that. You can add more colors to it if you like. You can also edit the title font here. Hold on. For instance, this one maybe, or this one. There's just a lot of things you can choose. You can change, not choose. There's also these gadgets that you can change, I think. Show about me. And once you're done, you're just going to select save, and it's going to be applied to your blog. But that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!